Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello Virgo placements. This is your love reading ngayong April. So focus natin, syempre, the person on your mind. Okay? So, yeah. Mga take-habo na naman na, 'di ba? Mga info. Anyway, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, don't forget, kung meron pong mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, okay, meron tayong evil eye protection, meron tayong love bracelet, meron tayong granter necklace, and meron tayong cord cutting. So, tanong na lang po kayo sa amin pong FB page for more info, okay? And syempre, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, just message na lang po sa kanya pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Kuya Dingsi. Si Kuya Dingsi naman is a healer, okay? So, yes. And again, don't forget rin na i-follow yung akin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Okay. So, ang dami na. I'm so sorry. Naiipon na yung mga love letters. Oo. Hindi ko pa na-open. So, I think maybe later try ko na mag-post, no? Mamaya doon sa ating YouTube channel na Love Letter. And meron pa po ako isa pang pwedeng ipa-follow. Pwede po ba? O, diba? Yung isang YouTube channel na ang name ay, ang tawag dyan? Rescue Animals. Nasa description box below, about animals po yun, ha? Mga nire-rescue, mga ganyan. Cute animals, o, diba? Okay? Mga may hilig dyan sa mga pets. Yan. So, follow lang po and subscribe. Thank you. Hope you follow. Oo. Sa description box below po. Hanapin nyo lang dyan. Okay? So, let's start the reading, Virgo. Enough with the talking. So, who is this person you're thinking of? Sino ba tong taong to na nasa isip mo ngayon, Virgo? Who is this person? Who is this? The Empress Reversed. And could be Taurus, Libra, Virgo. The Page of Wands. Oh, you have big age gap, age difference. Hindi kayo magkausap ngayon or pwedeng may conflict pagdating sa communication sa ngayon. Page of Wands is here. You're still attracted to this one. You still want a new beginning with this one. Aren't you? Don't you? King of Swords Reversed. You don't trust them. Some of you, you're angry pagdating sa kanya. Ginusto mo na magkaroon ng new beginning kasama ang taong to, pero hindi ko nakitaan ng progress. The Empress is here in reverse. No progress at all. No improvement. Gusto mong may mangyaring pagbabago sa kanya, actually. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon, Virgo? Days of Wands in reverse. So, wala pa rin talagang pagbabago dito. Okay? Why Days of Wands in reversed? The Moon in reversed. Hindi pwedeng laging awa dito, ha? Hindi pwedeng laging emosyon. Okay? The Two of Pentacles. Hindi pwede yung kapag gusto, nandyan. Kapag ayaw, aalis. Diba? Okay? The Six of Wands. Ang lumalabas dito para kayong merong codependency, Virgo. You have codependency. Somebody is sabihin nating parang anak no? Anak. Tas ikaw yung nanay or tatay. Parang ganyan, umiintindi ng umiintindi. Hindi pwede to. This is toxic. Okay? Yeah, sweet minsan, pero kapag palagi, di ba? Cute minsan, pero pag palagi, Diyos ko, mamumuti buhok mo dito. Di ba? Tama? Tama. Oo. Okay. So, what is your emotion right now? What is your emotion for you? Feelings, emotion, currently. Okay, ngayon mismo. Deep down. The Three of Wands, universe. Tinatalikuran ka. Pwedeng fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. What's with the Three of Wands, universe? The Five of Cups. Ooh! Nag-move on. Hinahayaan ka. Yeah. Could be a Leo. You're holding back. Ma-ego, ma-pride. Nagmamatigas. The Nine of Cups. Gustuhin mo ko, habulin mo ko. Parang ganon. Huwag mong habulin. Yaan mo. Okay? Immature side ng person. Na parang ganon at ganon at ganon na lang palagi ang ginagawa. Days of Wands, universe. Palagi, I think. Okay, so, you're moving on. Hinahayaan ka niya. Tinatalikuran ka niya. Well, pwedeng ang dahilan nun ay pagmamatigas. Gusto mo siyang, like, gusto ka niyang sumuyo sa kanya. Nagpapasuyo. Diba? Babae man, lalaki man, kung naman ang gender niya. Yeah, iisa lang. Let's see. What is your next action towards you, Virgo? The Queen of Cups. Ooh. Why? Why the Queen of Cups? The Three of Pentacles. Oh, this is like paawa effect. Paawa effect. The Three of Pentacles. I don't know kung gagawa siya mismo ng action. Pero gusto nito ng collaboration, diba? Cooperation with you. The Six of Swords though, in reversed. Wala pa rin pagbabago dito. Parang ningas kugon. Sa umpisa lang. Sa umpisa lang okay. Sa umpisa lang magaling. Ganun ba nangyari sa inyo? Always? Then, baliin mo. Alam mo na pwedeng ganito mangyari kung paulit-ulit naman kayo na ganito. Papatwitams, yan, papalambing na, magiging open na sa'yo. The Three of Pentacles, pwedeng itong taong to kumuha ng opinion from other people or sa mga mutual friends ninyo, something like that. Okay? Para magkaroon ulit ng open door of opportunity with you. Something like that. No, it's like hindi siya totally sa'yo gagawa ng way or hindi siya totally, yeah, diba? Ego, pride. Okay, so be careful. Yeah, the Ten of Wands. Alam mo, pag to binalikan mo or nakipag-ayos ka sa mga ganun yung pakikipagbalikan, para kang kumukuha ulit ng batong ipubukpok mo sa ulo mo na naman 10 times. Ha? Yes. Real talk lang. Real talk lang po. Okay? Alam ng taong to kung paano ulit babalik sa'yo. So, siguro, kung hindi siya nabalik ngayon, ayaw pa niya. Hindi pa niya trip. Hindi pa niya trip, yeah. Si Eight of Pentacles in reversed. Huwag kang gumawa ng kahit ano. That's you. This is your energy. This is earth sign. You're an earth sign. Huwag kang gumawa ng kung ano man. Kahit ano pa. Ito Virgo. Kung itong taong to, malalaman mo na, kunyari, pupunta ka sa isang occasion or sa isang lugar at malalaman mo nandun siya, huwag kang pumunta. Yan mo. Alam mo na, para siyang para siyang nag-expect talaga na makikita ka niya dun. Yes. The Page of Swords kanina, nakita ko. Yeah. Alam nila yun. Nag-expect na sila agad nun na makikita ka nila. Then, baliin mo. Baliin mo yun. Huwag kang magpakita. Kung ano man yung mga alam mong gawa or gawin niya every time na sa tingin mo. Some of you, pwedeng malalaman mo yan through mutual friends. So, ito si sasama sa atin. Nagsabi ba sa'yo? Parang ganon. Okay? Or kung ano man, alam nyo na yun, inyo. Okay? Alam nyo na yung inyo kung paano to gustong bumalik sa buhay mo. Then, yeah. Kung itong taong to minsan ay magsisin lang or titingnan yung my day mo pero wala namang chat, mga ganong bagay, paparamdam. Then, wag mo hayaan na Okay? Ace of Wands in reverse. Hello. This is on off. Pabalik-balik lang. So, tingnan natin ano ba ang potential outcome nyo this April. Okay, the Two of Pentacles. So, juggling pa rin. Hindi pa rin balance. Okay. The Three of Cups. Diba? Somebody is juggling pagdating sa reconciliation. Bakit? Bakit magja-juggle? Kung talagang gustong makipag-ayos, dapat wala ng mga sabihin nating rason or dahilan. Di po ba? Okay? So, gagawa pa si The Emperor in reverse. So, meron tayong pair dito. The Empress and the Emperor in reverse. So, actually, I think you're not ready pagdating sa isa't isa. You're not ready. Okay? Andito yung parang magkakaroon lang kayo ng reconciliation, hindi yung hindi yung sa kayo mismo yung nag-connect. It's like magkakaroon na naman kayo ng connection through ibang connections, parang ganyan, like magkikita lang kayo because of ganyan, si friend ay inaya si ganto, inaya kang ganyan para magkita kayo. I don't know. Okay? Kasi parang this is, sabihin natin parang scripted na. Scripted na to, Virgo. Hashtag scripted. Yung inyong laging pagbabalikan ng taong to. Ha? Okay? So, matigasan kayo. Yeah. Para kang connected kay Leo. I don't know. Maybe you're dealing with a Leo person. Anyway. Kunyari, nag-move on tong taong to, Virgo. Pero, yeah. Pa-importante. Yes, pa-importante po. Hindi malaman ang gusto ng taong to Yeah, may immature side siya. The Page of Wands. Okay? Tingnan natin tong Page of Wands na to. Yan, King of Pentacles. Alam naman niya na dapat kailangan niya gumawa ng may responsibilidad siya pero mas pinipili niya yung immaturity kaysa dito. Okay? So, yeah. See? So, tingnan natin. All signs, Aries through Pisces. For you, Virgo. Let's see. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Virgo placements. Okay, Aries. So, self-centered person. Taurus, they're invested. Gemini, they're moving on. Cancer, feeling the unfinished business. Leo, they want cooperation with you. They want communication. Virgo, they're giving you mixed signals, or maybe you were getting mixed signals from your person. Maybe they're giving you, throwing you. So, Libra, this is unfinished business. Walang changes na nangyayari dito actually. They want to move on. Scorpio, keeping silent. Choosing to be silent. So, Sagittarius, there's options, I guess. They're conflicted, indecisive, aloof. Capricorn, okay, so I think some of you, this is like a new person, a new love interest. Okay, so si Capricorn pwede ring nagpapakita ng kabaitan sa'yo, mga ganyang bagay. Aquarius. They want like, hindi ko masabing beginning, pero they're like judging you. They're judging you sa kung anong ginagawa mo sa ngayon. Lalo na kung hindi po kayo magka-usap, ha. Pisces, okay, they're selfish. I'm sorry, they're selfish. Okay? Some of you, naging selfish siya in a way na parang pinoprotektahan niya yung self niya or yung emotions niya. Or maybe ganun ka pagdating sa kanya. So there, yun ang aking reading for you. Virgo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. And yung ating dalawang pinapa-follow pa na love letter and yung rescue animals. Ata, oo. Nasa description box below. Paki-check na lang po. And yeah, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.